and gratitude to commemorate our nation's 79th Independence Day. Our chief guest has arrived. Let us all get ready for hoisting our flag.
सम्माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, श्री सनातन धर्म एजुकेशन सेंटर के प्रेसिडेंट श्री सुरेंद्र जी धवन, प्रबंधक महोदय श्री राजीव सोनी सर, विद्यालय समूह की प्रधानाचार्यगण, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस के पावन अवसर पर हम आप सभी का स्वागत करते हैं। अभिनंदन है आप सबका इस आज़ादी की वर्षगांठ का जश्न मनाने के लिए, जो हमारे वीर शहीदों और स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों का परिणाम है। We feel privileged to have the presence of our Honorable President, Sir Surendra Dhawan, as our chief guest today. We welcome you wholeheartedly, sir. We are blessed by your benign presence.
We request our respected principal ma'am to inspire us with her words.
Honorable Chief Guest, Sir Surendra Dhawan, Venerable members of the Management Committee and the Sabha, Honorable doctors from our hospital, Madam Pooja Mishra and Sonal Srivastav,
all the dear teachers and lovely children. My hearty greetings to everyone on our 79th Independence Day. The day which reminds us that we are heirs to a freedom which was won by much blood, by many sacrifices and tireless toil. A day which reminds us that the soil under our feet does not only nourish our bodies, but it gives us an identity and also dignity. We feel truly blessed to have the presence of our President Sir Surenji Dhawan as our chief guest today. Sir, your compassion and your benevolence is all prevailing. Sir is not only an accomplished businessman, but also an educationist of great repute. Your vision and your guidance have always inspired us, sir. We really, truly feel blessed to celebrate the spirit of independence with you on the chair today. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors of hoisting our tricolor today. And everyone's presence surely makes us feel like one huge family, all the school teachers, students, principals, everyone. The fluttering flag today seems to be saying to us that true freedom is not just absence of chains, but it is the presence of a purpose in life. So as educationists, as teachers, it is our purpose to provide the best of facilities to our children, to give them the best of training and guidance so that they learn well, they are able to understand and realize their own potential and fulfill their aims in life. And for you children, it is important to understand that purpose goes beyond fulfillment of your aims. So you may have the aim of becoming a doctor tomorrow, but your purpose should be to provide better and improved medical care services to the people of your country, and especially the underprivileged. If you choose to study computer science, then you make it your purpose to provide soft solutions to the problems that you see around you. If you choose to become a scientist tomorrow, then you look for solutions for the environmental problems all around us, because that only will ensure a better quality of life for everyone, especially for you, and a better society for all of us in the near future. Today, our country is in the middle of several crises. Many global challenges have to be met where our economy is concerned. The air is not really very clean. There is large-scale unemployment in the country, and still a large percentage of our population is dependent upon agriculture. So more and new avenues have to be created for them, and for that you all really have to make your aims very, very purposeful. So, nation first, always first, which is also the theme of this Independence Day, is today our survival code. We need to understand that our resources have to be conserved and are conserved, and our unity has to be nurtured as if they were our oxygen. So let us all learn to live by nation first attitude. Let us exercise a lot of honesty in our actions and show integrity in making our choices. So let this grand gala celebration today not be just a memory, but a commitment to hold national interest above all. My blessings to everyone once again. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for such inspiring words. Love for the nation is not just in words. It is in every breath, every step, and every heartbeat. A true patriot dreams of a Bharat that lives on, even beyond themselves. With this spirit, the dancers of Sri Sanatan Dharm Public School present Forever India.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से झलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। शत्रु से कह दो जरा सीमा में रहना सीख ले, ये मेरा भारत अमर है, सत्य कहना सीख ले। भक्ति की इस शक्ति को बढ़कर दिखाना चाहिए, रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए, रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। गाए जा तू राग केसरी, मातरम 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 मातरम, वंदे रग रग में गूंज रहा है, भारतम 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 भारतम। है बुलंदी पे ये तिरंगा, जोड़ के रखे हमको गंगा रे, सुन लेना हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान, है तुझ में कहीं मेरी जान, हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान, है रूह पे तेरे निशान, दहाड़े। फौज हमारी सबसे आगे, इसमें दुश्मन लाख है पछाड़े। ओ झूठ मिटेगा सच रहेगा, अब ये भारत स्वच्छ रहेगा रे। सुन लेना हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान है तुझ में कहीं मेरी जान। हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान है रूह पे तेरे निशान। हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान है तुझ में कहीं मेरी जान।
Not just sung, they are felt in every heartbeat. This is the melody that celebrates our soil, our sky and our soul, our beloved Hindustan. Presented with pride by the voices of Shri Sanatan Dharm Public School, here is Watan, Ye Hamara Pyara Hindustan.
हमारा
That was truly mesmerizing. Thank you for filling our hearts with the spirit of nationalism through your melodious performance.
And may I now call upon our school captain Mridul Gupta and Prakash Shukla, our sports captain, to present a little token of our love and warmth to our chief guest, sir. Thank you, sir. Really indebted and full of gratitude for your momentous and benign presence over here. And it's time now to commend everyone who has made this occasion such a grandiloquent celebration, our 79th Independence Day celebration. My first thanks goes to the honorable members of the management to provide this platform to us and to our children to present this and to give an opportunity to all of us to celebrate this occasion. I would like to thank all the teachers and the mentors who have trained the students so meticulously, especially the music department and the dance department, for the detailing that they have taught to the students, for the beats, for the music, for the melody that the students have displayed over here is indeed marvelous. I would also like to thank our Hindi and English departments for scripting, visualizing and executing the entire show with such flawless presentations. Indeed, a big kudos to all of you. And not to forget our art department and our computer department. The amalgamation which these two departments have presented here, they have merged technology and aesthetics together, is indeed commendable. The e-backdrops are supporting our presentation so beautifully that not a moment of dullness was here on the stage. And above all, to the parents who support the students to come here, to present here, and to do whatever possible at their ends. And the loudest applause goes to my dear students. The kind of balance that they are learning, they are exploring the talents that is lying inside them and also balancing their academics. Kudos and a big round of applause for all the participants who have come here, presented their shows, and I'm sure that they will do really well in their academics also. So at this note, patriotic note, I would request everybody to please rise up for Vande Mataram.